Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of AI score. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here we click on AI score and you will enter. In this page of app info, we go here to first stop and we click OK. Then we go to this window of storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.